my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, I am transforming my entryway into a gingerbread winter wonderland. I've got quite a few new things since last year, and one thing that I had been wanting, I waited for it to go on sale, and I added a coupon to it, so I was able to get it. You'll see it looks so much better in this space, but for now I've still got all my fall stuff up, so I'm going to take down and put up simultaneously, changing it all over. I'm going to be doing my banisters up and up here, probably down the stairs too. I have an idea to also hang a garland at the top of this archway to the hallway. We've got a lot to do. Oh, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. I am seriously like 4 away from 700 subs, and I feel like I've been stuck for quite a bit. So help me get there if you're new. All right, let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna use this as a transportation device, so I can put as many pumpkins as I can in there and take it away. Okay, so when I filmed this video, it was weeks ago, I was at like 696 subs, but I'm happy to report I'm at 962. I cannot believe I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. It is crazy. I am so grateful for each and every one of you, everybody that's watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Super exciting. Definitely a first goal of mine to make it to 1,000 subs, and so I am almost there. And once I get there, I will definitely be doing some kind of giveaway. I don't know exactly what it will be, but I'll definitely be doing something. Okay, so it's cleaned off for the most part now. We're going to start with the florals first. I do not know what those noises were at the end of my last clip. My kids were in the background. I think they were playing in the basement or video game. I don't know what was going on, but I had to get going. I was like, what the heck is going on? Anyway, this mirror right here, I thought I had showed you guys like me switching out the mirrors. I'm so glad I was able to get this super large one. It is gorgeous, so beautiful, way bigger, and it fit the space way better than my last one. So I am so glad I ended up snagging this. I think originally it was over $200, and I ended up getting it for under $100. I think it was like 90 something. I think it was just on sale, and then I might have had a coupon or something, but I have been watching this for a while. This new candle from Kirkland's, and that's where I also got that mirror there. Whoops. And this is called Gingerbread House Cinnamon Spice Zesty Orange Buttercream. It smells amazing. Can we talk about the fact that I definitely should have took a hot iron to the sweatshirt? My gosh, of course, when I'm like looking back at the film, I'm like, Lord have mercy, it was wrinkled. I think I had just gotten out the package. I got this from, it's super cute though. I think I got it from Shein. Yes, I did. It was a great price, super cute. I love the little gingerbread people in like their lattes or whatnot. It's so cute, but girl, next time, I will iron my shirt before I get on YouTube. Okay. I have something to go over here, but it's heavy, so I'm gonna wait a bit. Let's go over here on this side where the bench is. Okay, so since we're over here, I actually have something. It's called a, now the term totally, I can't even think of what it's called. It is a hanging shelf. There we go. They will go above this bench. I'm not exactly sure when it'll get put up, but at least I have it. And so, yes, it'll be super cute. I've already thought about the kind of decor that I'm going to put up there. Specifically, I've thought about spring decor, which is insane, I know. But I'm just like, man, because I kind of wanted to do this last year where I hang like a little umbrella or whatever on there, just for decoration, not to use. But I just think it'd be super cute. So yes, I'm excited for that. I just have so many blank walls in this house. And not that I need to fill them all up, but like yeah, like it just needs to be more filled than what it is right now. Does that make sense? And as you can see, I put up this ultra slim, I think it's 6 feet, 6 foot flocked tree pre-lit. I don't know if it was a good price or not, honestly. Y'all let me know. I've never bought a slim tree before, but I knew I needed a very slim tree to fit up here. I knew a big one wouldn't fit, so that's why I got it. But I'm kind of like, it was about, I think it was $80 something on sale. It's a Paludo. Oh my gosh, now I can't remember the name. Let me know if you like want the link or whatever. I'm always happy to share links. I just don't ever know if someone's gonna want the links to stuff, so I don't really put a lot of stuff in the description box. But if you want it, I'm definitely not a gatekeeper. I will let you know where it's from. It's super cute. I'm glad I got this size to fit up here. And as you can see, this is how you know I talk too much, because I literally talked over myself when I was talking live in the video about these little like cake pop looking things. Super cute. Walmart, great price. Get it if you can. Anywho, I wasn't even gonna decorate this tree at first. I was just gonna leave it plain. And I thought it was already, cute because it was flocked and pre-lit and all that. But then I said, you know what? I think I could decorate just like a little bit. So that's when I got like the cake pops, and then I got a few other things. I think everything else besides like the little topper, I think that was besides the topper and the actual gingerbread like faces, those were from Hobby Lobby. But I think everything else on this tree was from Walmart.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for
Okay, time to decorate this cute little bench here.
Can we do head back home? When the sleigh blows cold, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close?
I think that side is good for now. We're gonna go back over here, put some finishing touches over here. Was the big thing I was talking about that was heavy and I couldn't bring it up. So
Presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, look, when we were small.
So it's many hours later. I had to take a break, do mom stuff, mom life, fed the kids and all that. And I had to take a break. I was so tired. It's taking forever, like way longer than I expected, which it seems like it always takes longer. But anywho, I'm going to put some twinkle lights over here on this tree. I think I'm going to put some twinkle lights in the wreath over here. And then we're going to decorate the banister. Oh my gosh. So let me tell you the fiasco with these doggone twinkly lights. So remember I said at the beginning, I actually filmed this video weeks ago. I never finished like filming end clips until today, the day that I'm actually doing the voiceover. With that being said, all of the batteries are burnt out. In fact, they came with batteries. These particular twinkly lights, they came with batteries. But the batteries were obviously very bad quality and they had a timer. I believe they had a timer. But within a day, I'm not even kidding, at the most 2 days, they were burnt out. I have not switched out any of the batteries. I say all that to say, I do not think I have any videos of the stairwell lit up or anything like that. Unfortunately, I just did not get to finish filming while the batteries were still working. So there's that. Also, I took down that wreath. If you saw my gingerbread kitchen video, I used this wreath in the kitchen instead of here. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it right here, and I ended up just using like a ribbon. So you'll see at the end the actual final product. So I actually did make ornament clusters, and I did place them strategically throughout the stairwell garland. However, I totally messed up and I did not hot glue the tops on. So yes, most of them are gone, and I'll learn my lesson, I guess. For next year, I have to hot glue the tops. Otherwise, they may fall off. For today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. And I'll see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.